Hello. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today is shopping. We are going to have fun while shopping. Look at the things they have in the shop. It's the hardware shop. It has a lot of things. The shop's name is Hammer, and it's very common in the Netherlands. I don't know which other places it is, but I live in the Netherlands, so I see it here. And we need to do few things, few renovations in our home. So we decided to take this trip to Hammer and get some things. And I thought, why don't you come along with me? Because it's gonna be fun and we're going to see various things that you didn't know that you need or you want. But I'm not encouraging you to just go and be buying things that you don't want. Yeah, so we want to do a little changes in our bathroom and also in our outhouse. So yes, we take inspiration from different places. Some of us take inspiration from the gym. Some of us in the library. I do take a lot of inspiration going to the library. But today, I want us to take a few inspiration, not from the library, but from a hardware store. So welcome to our strolling through Hammer. Yes. You are not just going to do shopping. Yes, do shopping with me. We look at the things they have. But I'm going to share a few things with you because we learn from things we see, things we explore, things we don't even think they may inspire us because they make you think a lot beyond what you even know. So when I see things, I really look carefully. I always joke that if you see something, look at it twice. Yes, look left, look right, look around you. There are things that can inspire you, that you can learn from. And I saw this barbecue machine. I actually wanted it, but when I saw the price, I realized I didn't want it. On a more fun way, this lantern actually reminded me of my childhood when we used to use lantern because we didn't have electricity sometimes, or the lights went off and we put in kerosene and all that. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Let's go on. So everything here in the shop is about making things stronger or fixing what's broken or creating something new, whether food, whether something in your home. Yes. And it hits me, life works the same way. When you invest your energy in things that last, relationships, skills, and memories, not just quick fixes, it does something. So build things that last. And when they are broken, it doesn't mean throw it away. See what can be done about it, because sometimes we give up too quickly. Another lesson I want to say is that the right tools make all the difference. So trying to do a job with the wrong tools is very, very frustrating. In life too, it's not just about working hard, it's about having the right resources, knowledge, and people to help you get it done. Yes, so please get the right tools, and it will make the difference. It will reduce the burden. And sometimes the knowledge, ask the people who have it, ask the people who have the right tools. Ask. And nowadays I think we are bombarded with information overload. So search as well. You can search online, you can ask a friend, there are so many tools you can explore so that you learn more and more. When you are limited by resources, you need to find other ways. I said I was listening to Tamira and Zone's channel, and they were talking about change lanes, and that sometimes you need to change lanes. Sometimes you need to change lanes to ask for help. Sometimes you need to change lanes to give help as well. So that is it. Let's go to the next one. Are you still here with me? Thank you so much for being here. So the next thing I want to talk about is measure twice, cut once. So it's an old saying, but it's measure twice, cut once. It's this old saying. It's on full display here. Every project that you want to start, you need to really plan. You need to take your time to plan it, and before you take action. Some of us rush to take actions before we plan. Imagine cutting something and realizing that it's not the length and you have to cut it again, or you spoil the material, and it's all resources, time, and energy. So this old adage that says measure twice, cut once really applies in our life. We need to think through things carefully, prepare very well. Ask yourself what you need, what you don't need, whose knowledge do you need, what kind of resources do you need, what kind of tools do you need, and then act. It saves a lot of time. Thank you so much for watching. And I just want to encourage you that if you enjoyed this little hardware store wisdom, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure, maybe in a place you least expect me to be. Until then, I say stay blessed. Bye. I love you, but God loves you more. Our greatest gift was you.